Good morning, students. Last we saw about the ascending, descending, successor, predecessor, right? Now we move on to the next topic, that is rounding off. Now rounding off is done when you don't want the exact number, okay? You want an estimate. आस पास का whole number, okay? Which is very easy to count, okay? So when you want a estimation, अंदाजा लगाना है, तो you round off. Okay, now I have taken a number here 35,247. Okay, so this 35,247 number I have to round off at the place of 10. Okay, this number I am going to round off at the place of 10, tens place. What is the number in the tens place? Okay, so whenever you want to do this, what you have to do is, this is your number. I told you to round it off to tens place. So at the tens place, whatever number is there, that only will get changed. Okay, what you have to do is, after that number, whatever number it is, this is your rounding off place. So 3, 5, 2. Now this is the place where you have to round off. So you will have some number here. After that, whatever numbers or digits are there, they become 0. Getting me? Now, when I have to round off at this position, I have to check the number which is adjacent to it. So 7 is my number which is adjacent. Now you tell me, this number 7, is it greater than 5? Yes, it is. So since 7 is greater than 5, what I have to do is, I have to pass plus 1 here. Okay, since 7 is greater than 5, I have to pass on plus 1. So this number becomes 4 plus 1, 5. So this is my number which is rounded off at the tens place. Rest remains the same. After it, whatever is it, becomes 0. Getting me? Now let's see at the hundreds place. At the hundreds place, what is my number? 2 is my number. आगे का जो है, that I will write. Whatever it is, I write it same. 2 I have to change here, so 2 will become something. Okay? And I have to check this number. This number I have to check. So when I check this, I see that it is less than 5. Isn't it? 4 is less than 5. So this is a Kacha Limbu. Okay, you have Pakka Limbu, Kacha Limbu, isn't it? When you play, small kids are considered Kacha Limbu. So here also same way, this 4 is smaller than 5. So it is Kacha Limbu. So what you do is, वो out भी होता है तो you say जाने दो, isn't it? So similarly, ये 4 है, it is smaller than 5. This is Kacha Limbu. So you just जाने दो. You will say जाने दो. What you will do is, यहाँ पे जो भी number है, whatever number is, it remains same. Okay, no change here. And this, I told you, hundreds place. So there should be 2 zeros, isn't it? This place I had to round off. So after that, how many? 2 digits. So 2 zeros. Getting me? Let's move on. Now at the thousands place. What is my number now? This is at the thousands place. I will check number 2. Is it greater? Again smaller. Kacha Limbu. Jane do. Isn't it? So what will my number be? This was before 5. So I have written it same as it is. Since this is Kacha Limbu, इसको भी हमने change नहीं किया. We let it remain as it is. Now since this is what I want, 3 zeros. So these 3 become 0. Okay, this is rounding off at thousands place. Whatever place you are rounding off, after that place you will have zeros. Now in the 10,000s place. Okay, let's see. My 10,000 place is 3. I will have to check the number which is beside it, that is 5. Now 5 is equal to 5. So it is having some value. Okay, 5 is a number midway, बीच में होता है. So from 0 to 9 you consider 5 as a greater number. So 5 will be counted as Pakka Limbu. Now since it is a Pakka Limbu, you have to give plus 1. Pakka Limbu में plus 1. अगर कच्चा लींबू छोड़ दो. Okay. Now this is a Pakka Limbu. So 3 plus 1, 4. And after 4, I want 4 zeros. So these all become, getting me? Whichever place you are rounding off, that place will have a number. बाकी के सब 0 हो जाएंगे. Here 1000, so 100. Okay. Whichever place you are rounding off, that many zeros you will have in the number. Okay. So this is all rounding off. Let's see exercise number 1.34. Sorry, 1.4. So you have to round off to the hundreds place. Then in question number 2, you have to round off to the thousands place. So whichever number you are rounding off, you will have, in the first question, you will have 2 zeros in the end. In question number 2, you will have 3 zeros. Okay. Then in question number 3, you have to take the correct option out of the 3 options given. So they have given a number and they have given you 3 answers. Whichever is the correct answer, you have to take. Okay. Then in question number 4, round off the numbers in the following sentences to the nearest 10,000 and rewrite the sentence. So there you have to round it off to 10,000 place. Similarly. Okay. So just try it and complete exercise 1.4. Getting me?